So my favorite part of the REMOVU is the selfie mode because you can vlog so easily. It's so compact. I can spin around. It's just so lightweight and so easy to use. And you can switch to front mode just by clicking 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and bam, front mode. Hey you guys, and welcome to Premier Gal. Here I have the new REMOVU K1 self-stabilizing 4K camera. It's a neat little thing. It's handheld and the lens is right there. And one thing that I actually didn't know when I first started using this is that it actually has a particular way of turning on. It comes locked, so the lens is locked and it's locked here because this is the gimbal. First you need to unlock it before you record. So you have to unlock it here. See how it just rotated? That means the base is unlocked. But now we have to unlock the lens by just turning it like that. So now it's ready to go. And now you can turn it on. Otherwise it'll say, warning, it's in safety mode, and then you'll actually have to take the battery out if it doesn't restore right away. So now that it's on, let's go ahead and do some running test shots of the stabilizer, and I'll go ahead and hit record in 4K 30 frames per second. And I'm gonna test out the microphone right now as I run up the hill. Ready? Let's run. And let's do selfie mode. So I'm running down the hill here. Let's hope that it's stable. All right. I was just playing around with the settings to try to change the duration of how long the REMOVU can record in one standing. So right now it's defaulted to 30 seconds. Sometimes it goes a little bit after that, and then it immediately starts saving the clip, and it takes about 20 seconds to save. So my recommendation to REMOVU is to speed it up so that way you can save just in a couple seconds, so that way you could get back on it and start recording, because you don't want to miss out on any precious moments. Another tip I have for the next version of K1 is to make it easier to change the duration of the recording time. It says that you can record for 3 hours straight, or however long the battery lasts at that time, but it's not easy to change the settings. So just a couple recommendations, but let's go ahead and take some photos right now. To take a photo, you're just gonna hit this button right here. So I'll just take, it's the photo icon. So I'm just gonna take a photo real quick. Let's move down by the water over here and let's get some more shots. So my favorite part of the REMOVU is the selfie mode because you can vlog so easily. It's so compact. I can spin around. It's just so lightweight and so easy to use. And you can switch to front mode just by clicking 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and bam. And look what I found. These little duckies. 1, 2, 3, duckies. Oh, they're scared of me. But you can get nice close duckies, it's okay. You can film wildlife so easily. Hey duckies. And they're like, get away. The duckies didn't really like me. So to change the different shooting modes, right now it's in front mode. To recenter it, just tap this back button on the back twice and it recenters it. If you press it once, it's follow mode. If you press it again, it's pan mode. And if you want it to be selfie, tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it will spin around and you can see me right here. And this is when you can use this mode for vlogging. And to go back to front mode, just tap it 3 times again. And you can change the modes while you're recording. So if I hit record and I want to record the front mode for a little bit, and then if I hit it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it'll go back to selfie mode. So you can not have to flip the camera around while you're shooting, you can just have it turn towards you. And it's all self-stabilized. So this is one of my favorite features about the REMOVU. So to change between the settings in the REMOVU, it's really easy. Just hit the menu and you can use this to toggle back and forth to any button here. So go to video settings, and if you click this, this is where you can choose the time-lapse option or slow motion. And here you have 3 options: video, slow motion, or time-lapse. So you would click on this to change it to time-lapse video. And here you can change the resolution, 4K, WQHD, or 1080. So I'm going to keep it at 4K, and then you would just hit menu to exit. And then you would hit this red button to record. Another thing about the REMOVU that I love is, let's say you're driving in a car, right? You're doing something on a skateboard, a scooter. You can hold the REMOVU and it looks completely stable. You don't need to add any stabilization in post-production, such as the warp stabilizer in Premiere Pro. It's already done for you. So in addition to that, you can get really close up to wildlife. I know with Premiere Pup, I was running with him and Bailey, the other dog, and running, and I got some really amazing shots of them just being so happy running together, shots I've never been able to do before with my mirrorless Canon. So it really provides an up-close, intimate shot that you wouldn't be able to get anywhere else. Especially, you know, like with a GoPro, you could probably do it, but you need to buy a separate stabilizer. This comes all in one: microphone, camera, built-in stabilizer. And another quick thing I want to show you is, let's say you want to adjust the ISO. You can go into tuning over here and you can select the Pro setting on. Now REMOVU doesn't recommend using Pro setting, it just recommends using the auto. So if you have this off, it's just auto and it will automatically adjust the camera, because when you're on the go, you don't want to have to go back in here and have to change this. So you can select the white balance and you can choose different kelvins: 2700, 4000, 5000, 6500. So I'll just turn that off for now, and then you can choose ISO, auto, or you can select 100 up to 1600, and EV as well to adjust the exposure. So it definitely is useful to have this here, just so you know about it, but I've been shooting everything in auto. So to go back, just hit the red button again and go back to menu. So overall, I'd give the K1 a 7 out of 10. I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 right now because of 3 things. I want the zoom improved so it doesn't get pixelated when you zoom. 2, I want the save time of the clips to be faster so I can get on recording quickly. And 3, I want the ability to make the duration of each clip, how long I record each time, to be easily changed in the menu settings. So thank you, REMOVU, for sending me these K1s to test out. It's been a lot of fun. And if you guys are interested in getting the K1, you can go to removu.com and use my code GAL5 to get 5% off. Thanks you guys for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I publish new videos on this channel every week. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you on Friday for another Friday Effects tutorial.